Hi, and welcome to Outrageous English. You want to learn English, right? You have all of the textbooks teaching you the grammar, the rules, the right way to say things. Then, suddenly, you're watching a movie or a TV show, and somebody says something you've never heard before. You page through your books, consult Babbel and Duolingo, and what do you know? No sign of this expression. Chances are, you just stumbled across some slang, maybe even, and cover the children's ears, some vulgar slang. But what does it mean? What context can I use it in? Should I be angry or amused? Should I say it myself or avoid it altogether? That's why I'm here. Each video will focus on one expression or word, and we'll discuss the true meaning as well as the way it is applied in day-to-day life. So, sit back, cocksuckers, and learn dirty English from a native. Today's word, bastard. B-A-S-T-A-R-D. Bastard. Sometimes pronounced bastard, depending on your accent. Quite an aggressive word, this one, but it can be funny if applied correctly. Primarily used by British or Canadian English speakers, though our Australian and South African cousins are also fond of it. This one is less frequently deployed by Americans, the silly bastards. So, what does it mean and how can we use it? Literal meaning: somebody whose parents were not married when they were conceived. So, if your mom and dad had a sexy night in a travel tavern in Norwich before you were born, and you were the result, sorry to tell you guys, you are literally a bastard. Of course, these days, we don't care about those sorts of things really, and we don't generally use it in that way. So let's look at how it is used in the modern world. Usage 1. A direct insult to express dislike, generally of a man. Example 1. That guy is a bastard. Example 2. I met Jeff Goldblum and contrary to his reputation, he was a bastard. So we can see it is a direct insult, plain and simple. I don't like you is the message. Usage 2. Something that is difficult. Example 1. I would like to go to London tomorrow, but the trains are a bastard. Example 2. I'm trying to fix my car, but it's a right bastard. So, something difficult we can describe as a bastard. We can also put a modifier in front like right or real or total. A right bastard, a real bastard, a total bastard, etc. Usage 3. An expression of envy co-locates with the adjective lucky in order to express this sense of the meaning. Example 1. Tom Cruise is a lucky bastard. He can barely act, but he's a multi-millionaire. Example 2. You got to meet Lady Gaga, you lucky bastard. So, we are expressing admiration in a way and suggesting that we would like to have experienced or to have been in the same situation as the person we are talking about. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Please subscribe to this channel and make sure you don't miss a single video. Thanks. Now,